Greetings. For this first project, let me introduce you to Zapier in case you are not already familiar. Zapier connects to just about everything. An easy way to think of Zapier is it is the glue that connects one application to another or many applications to each other. So I'm going to come over here to, as you can see, I have a folder set up for the Beyond the Prompt. And all of the zaps that we create in this series will go here. Now, before I begin creating a zap, the first thing I want to do is prepare Discord. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new channel on the server. If you haven't already created a server in your Discord, it's free. And there's plenty of tutorials showing how to do it. So we'll go ahead and create a channel on this server, and I'm going to name this one Beyond the Prompt dash Outgoing. Okay, and we're going to use this. I'm going to make this a private channel, and we're going to use this only for sending messages out, and then we're going to create a BTP incoming after this. So this is going to be what we send out. I'll go ahead and select the Zapier bot, and then I'm going to create another channel, BTP incoming, make it a private channel, select our bot. So now we're going to use the outgoing to send a message out. So please create an image of a blue robot wearing a gold necklace. That's going to be our prompt. Now we have to send the first message so that Zapier can pick up that message when we create our prompt. So that's why we had to set up our channels and send our first prompt in order to have things ready for Zapier. So now we're going to go ahead and create a new zap. And we're going to select Discord to be our trigger. Okay. Now I have already connected my Discord. It's very easy to connect. If you need help with that, let me know. Otherwise, just go ahead and follow the instructions for connecting your Discord by following the prompts. For the event, we're going to select new message posted to channel and hit continue. Now this is the Discord that I'm signed into. I'll go ahead and select that. That's the server. So for the trigger, we're going to pick a channel, and it's going to be the BTP outgoing. And we hit continue. So this is where it's going to test the trigger. So let's go ahead and test. And it found this message. So this is the message that it found. And you can see that we've got the content. Please create an image of a blue robot wearing a gold necklace. And we've got some other metadata about it. The username of the person who sent it. Okay. We'll hit continue. So now let's go ahead and select. So you see that we've got a chat GTP zap right here. But let's go ahead and look for Dalle. I'm just going to type Open AI. And here we go. We've got OpenAI, GPT-3, Dalle, and Whisper. We've got all three of them in this particular zap. And so I'm already signed into my OpenAI developer account. And so you'll need to get you in a OpenAI developer account so that you can use the backend API. And you do that at platform.openai.com. And so we'll go ahead and select an event. The event is going to be generate image. So we're going to generate an image in this case. Let's go ahead and continue. Let's hit continue. It's just if you haven't signed in, you'll need to make sure that your account is connected right there. So now all we have to do is map our Discord to our OpenAI Dalle. So for the prompt, we're going to select the content. Okay. And then right here, how many image variations? I'm just going to leave it at 1. You can choose what dimensions you want it to be. I'll choose 512 by 512. Let's hit continue. And we're going to test this action. Okay. So now you see we've gotten a URL of the image here. I can right click on that. We can come here and we'll see that. So that's a robot wearing that image. Wearing that necklace. And so now we're not going to publish. We're going to send this to another action. We're going to send this back to Discord. So let's hit this plus sign. Let's type Discord. Select Discord. Once again, we're signed in. And at this time, we're going to send channel message. Hit continue. Continue. Pick a channel. BTP incoming this time. The message is going to be, I'm going to say greetings. And then we'll say author username. Here is the image you requested. I'll hit the drop down. And now let's select the generated image, the URL right here. All right. So it's going to put that URL in there. Here we can select to ping the username. Okay. We're not going to do, the bot name is going to be Izzy AI in this case because that's the name of my bot. I'm going to use the face of Izzy. Just put your URL in there, hit continue. And then we're going to test this action. Now I'm going to open this up, BTP incoming, and I'm going to test this action. And over here, you're going to see it come in. So I'll go ahead and hit test action. And you're going to see it come in right here. There we go. So now, so you see here it is here. Now, I'll go ahead and publish this Zap. I'm going to rename it to Beyond the Prompt Zap 1. All right. And so here we have our first Zap completed. Now let's test it out in the real world. So we start by coming here to BTP outgoing. And let's just send a request. Please create an image of a Hellcat Challenger car, blue, in a driveway at night. So we send that prompt, and let's come over here to incoming and wait for it to come to us. And here we have it. So this is what we requested, a blue Hellcat Challenger in a driveway at night. That is exactly what this is. Outgoing prompt, incoming result. So that concludes this first Beyond the Prompt video. So in this one, we use Discord to Dalle back to Discord. Make sure you subscribe to our Humai Club YouTube channel to find out what we will zap up next.